everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I am glad you guys came over to watch my video. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. Now if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size items, not no teeny weeny sample honey, for $21 a month. Now the link is in my description box. You guys can go ahead and sign up so you guys can get your own Boxycharm. But I wanted to come in and show you guys what we got for May, because you guys may have gotten your box already. If you haven't, I'm sorry, spoiler alert, I'm going to show you what's inside May's box. Now I did miss out on April's box. I did have it, and there's a picture of it on my Instagram, so go on ahead and check out my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram too and all my other social media, alright, if you want to keep up with me daily, darling. So yeah, we've got our Boxycharm. So my box is like real messed up, but I have not seen it. If you have not watched any of my Boxycharm unboxings, basically I get my box every month and then I open it with you guys. I have not seen what's inside, so we are definitely surprised together, okay? So we're gonna open this up. Let's see what we got for this month. Now every month it's a theme, and I'm basically opening this wrong. I mean, there's no right or wrong way to open a box, but I'm taking it from the sides, which I totally shouldn't do. Okay, so I have laid out my box. I opened it on all sides. I'm sorry, I was excited. So this month we've got a theme. Every month it's a theme, right? So this month's theme is Boxy Bash. Apparently we are celebrating. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 6. What? Are they? Is Boxycharm treating us this month? Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are I counting 6 things? I'm excited. And some of these, y'all, one of these is, put it this way. For those of you who don't have Boxycharm, haven't signed up, thinking about it right now, this box is $21 a month. The value of the entire box usually is around $100. And one of these items is $45. What are you waiting on? Don't know what you're waiting on. So let's jump into this box. I'm just going to pull stuff randomly as always. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to pull up is a primer by COVERFX. Oh my goodness. This is a blurring primer by COVERFX. Now blurring primers get rid of any fine lines or, you know, pores or things like that. Make your skin look airbrush filtered, all that type of stuff, right? So this one is their lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of, like I said, pores and fine lines and things like that. This one retails for $38. The box costs $21. Keep playing. Keep sleeping on Boxycharm. If you haven't signed up, I don't know what you're waiting on. You need this. Listen to me. Every month, it's full-size items for you to try. If you don't like something, give it to your cousin, Annie, mommy, friend, you know, or put it in your stash for later, which is what I do sometimes. Yeah. So, yeah, we've got a new primer for the summer, guys. Yeah, so a blurring primer from COVERFX. Excited to try that one. And then we've got a brush. Now, I love that Boxycharm has been including brushes in the monthly boxes sometimes, because they also give us eyeshadow palettes and makeup and things like that. So it's good to have brushes to try these things out. So this brush is from Aesthetica, and this is their P12 face brush. Now this has synthetic fibers for maximum control, and it's perfect for a seamless look. Now let's check it out, because we can see what it, you know, tailors to for you. Alright, it is a pointed tapered tip. I do have to wash it because it's bent. Do you see that? So, because it's been sitting in the packaging for a little while, but because it's tapered, I can see this being good for bronzing, for contouring. If you want to add a bit of blush, this is good for that. So yeah, this is basically a multi-purpose brush, and I can't wait to try it. It's really soft. It is synthetic hairs, and it's by Aesthetica, and this retails for $27. The box is $21 a month. I cannot repeat that anymore. Like I've already said it. The link is in the description box. Sign up. Y'all need this box. May is a good month. So next up in the box, this packaging is intriguing to me, and it's the thing that stood out to me the most, but I didn't want to grab it first because I didn't want to seem thirsty. But this is by Pretty Vulgar. Now Pretty Vulgar is a new company that's new to Sephora. They have a bit of products on Sephora, but I love the packaging on this. This is their ink gel liner. Oh my goodness, they took some time with this packaging, darling. And this retails for $24. It's a highly pigmented gel eyeliner that provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It's creamy and it's water resistant. I love this packaging. This is so different. It's like one of those if you know, back in the day, like what, 1800 type situation where they used to use little quills and stuff, put it in there and then you know, right? Well, this is basically that type of packaging. You've got the ink in there, and it's thick. It's thick. It's not liquidy like you'd expect. So it's really in there. So you just basically dip your brush in there, pull the product out, and go on in line. This is going to look really pretty on your vanity because of the intricate designing that's on there. They've got some embossed feathering going on, and it's really nice. This is really good for the price. The price is $24. Like, you get, sometimes you get the little pencils for that price. This is a lot of product in here. You've got about 0.2 ounce of product or 6 grams of product in here. This thing is heavy. So this is a really, really good item to come in this month's box. So next we've got another set of brushes. These are from Aesthetica, again from the other brush that I just showed you. This one is their 3-piece eye trio set, and this retails, you guys, the price tag on this is $45. Okay, $45 for these 3 brushes. You just paid $21 for this box, and what? Some shit. Listen, these are, to me, it says essential eye, but I would say essential brow, really, because you've got your angled brush. You can use that for eyeliner, or you can use it for your brows. You've got your spoolie. Obviously, this can be used for your lashes or your brows, and you've got the liner tip one. So definitely going to be dipping this into that liner and like playing with it. So you've got a nice tipped one here. It's really like the packaging's really on there. I can't get that off right now. But yeah, this is a really nice set. It is soft. Ooh. Even down to the spoolie's nice and soft. So yeah, I can't wait to try these brushes. They're really, really nice. Again, this is from the brand Aesthetica. Yeah, say it right. So next up we've got a matte lip gloss, and this is from Beauty Creations. They did this especially for Boxycharm. This is in the color Kiss Me, and it looks like a nice mauve tone color. You guys know I love me some mauve, darling. So, oh, this is what it looks like. It's a liquid lip gloss, and it's basically especially formulated to provide full coverage, and it dries seamlessly, smoothly, matte finish. The retail price for this is $10. Nice little lip gloss. Woo. Now the scent of that is really fruity. If you don't like fruity scents, then this will probably not be for you. That hit me like poo, like pow in the face. But yeah, it's a nice little color there. As you can see there, I like that. It's a pinky color, pinky mauve tone color, but that scent, that fruity scent, that can catch you off guard. So that's that lip gloss there. So the last and final thing out of this box is a palette from Pure Cosmetics. This is their sculpting palette, Sculptor palette really, and it says it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades. This retails for $30, guys. Let's see if I can get some use out of this. It's nice. It comes with a little mirror, if you can see the colors there. I don't want to blind you guys. But yeah, I can get some use out of this. That's pretty cool. You know I'm going to swatch the highlight shades, right? You know that's coming. You know I was going to do that. So there they are. I hope you guys can see them. Ooh. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Nice and bright. Yes, I probably can only use the lighter color for like a highlight on my brow or in my inner tear duct, but the other color can definitely be used as a highlight. That's this one right here. It's a little bit darker, so yeah, I can definitely use this, and the darker shades can be used as eyeshadows. I'm excited about this. I'm really happy with this month's box, y'all. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this month's Boxycharm. I'm really happy about this month's box, you guys. It's actually super useful. I'm really excited. Like the thing that I'm most excited about is this ink liner from Pretty Vulgar. It's really, really cool. I love the packaging on this. I'm definitely going to be trying this COVERFX blurring primer. Oh man, I love primers, you have no idea. But yeah, I'm really happy about this month's box, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you got this month's box. Let me know if you're going to sign up and get you some Boxycharm. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye!